So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So many of you are facing issue related to the TCS NQT admit card. So in this video, I will provide you complete solution related to the admit card. That what is the solution for that. First of all, the steps which you have to follow, the mail which you got now, just try to enter the correct registration number. Make sure that all the details are correct and give your password. And after that, in most of the cases, you will be able to solve this issue. But if you are facing issue, then what exactly you have to do? Just click on forget user ID or password, provide your credential and just set up all those things. And again saying, before downloading the admit card, just clear all your cache and all those things, then आपका वही solution हो जाएगा. Okay, still if you are facing issue, must comment here, then I will try to reply as soon as possible. And those students who got any solution, you can comment here. Okay, but the main thing that you will do now, contact TCS support team. Okay, they only can help you, because if you will not able to download admit card and no one know that when your exam is there, either at today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so you have to be careful in all those respect. Okay, so in most of the cases you will be able to solve this by using these two phases. First, clear cache and history, all those things. And you can also open this in cognito window or new private window and try to download, then it will be solved. Okay, अगर नहीं solve हो फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, just forget the password and try to reset the password and make sure that you are giving the correct password. Okay, so related to coding and all those things, I have already uploaded videos. I will suggest must go through all those videos, especially how to take input in array based questions and string based question, because that is very important in context to NQT exam. Okay, because if you will get stuck and NQT exam, then this will be you will miss great opportunities. I will suggest everyone you should apply for all those things and make sure to give all those detail. Okay, and those who are following our coding series, just follow that and you will be able to pass all those things. You must go through PYQ and all those things, especially coding, and make sure to give a proper focus and proper balance time on numerical, aptitude, English, as well as coding scenarios. Okay, so related to the admit card, what that things you have to do, go with just आपको admit card लेके जाना, एक photograph and any you can say pen paper ले जा सकते हैं, but paper you will be allocated there, no need to worry. So best of luck to all the candidates who have exam, and if you still facing issue, must comment here and help each other. You can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. We regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe us. And friend, please support us. Your support is important. Okay, actually currently I'm in the office and I'm just making video just to help all of you. So your responsibility also should to help us. Okay, and I am just utilizing my break time to give instruction to you, so you can support us and share this video among your friends. And again, best of luck to all the candidates. Just believe in your hard work, believe in your preparation. You will able to succeed this exam. Lots of important opportunity will come in further too. So I'll provide all the updates. Thank you.